Hello guys, it's Rocks here, recording another video. Mine receiving this time around. Like the last couple. From just left, but whatever. And today we'll be seeing which furnace has more capabilities: Eternal Journey, which is times 100, and the Excalibur, which basically has no use depending on it. But we're gonna use a typical 6 Spitfires just because that's what most people use. And of course Spitfire Iron Mines because that's what most people use, and I actually placed these wrong, so I'm just gonna fix that. Interesting. Okay, thought I couldn't withdraw for a second. I was about to have to pause the video, which I've been doing a lot of it. Stop. And we're gonna be using remote ambrosia for this because it has a set value and like every ore will be worth the same, so it's just really easier. Okay, I placed them all, but first I actually have to test out how much it drops because I did not do that beforehand. So remote ambrosia mine, where is it? I placed it wrong. Okay. It drops ores worth. Oh, I have to drop it myself. Sometimes I don't even know what I do. 800 million. 800 million. Yeah, it's 800 million. We can just do the math ourselves. It's not that hard to do 800 million times 100, but make this interesting, just, well, not really interesting, just for the sake of sakeness, put it on Eternal Journey again. And I also need to lose this money because it kind of ruins what I'm trying to do. I should have thought about this beforehand. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna pause here while I lose some of this money, so yeah. Okay guys, I am back and I am about as poor as I can make myself. And now we will conduct a test on the Eternal Journey or times 100 to remote ambrosia mine, which drops $800 million ore, and compare it to what you could get with 6 Spitfire Iron Mines and an Excalibur. Okay, and one drop. So how much this gives us? 80 billion. Okay. Gave us 80 billion. Remove one of these orders. I want to do this. Okay, I'm gonna make a path of half conveyors, I guess. So don't want this ore to hit it immediately. Seems good. And then where is the mine? Where's my mine? Where is it? Okay. Where? Okay. Apparently about 21 of these. Oh yeah, because I have to get rid of money. Okay. And I'm just gonna, how do I go about this? Okay, because I don't want the Spitfire Iron Mines. You know what? Spitfire Iron Mines are just going to get me a couple K at best in this, so I should be okay. And if I go right here, ambrosia ores coming, placed it. So remember, that gave us 80 billion, and using ambrosia with the remote, using remote ambrosia with 6 Spitfire Iron Mines gave us about 100 and, I want to say 80, but I know it's 78. 100. Let me. Why can't I do this math faster right now? Okay, so 107. Yeah. Actually, I think it's 182. Yeah, it gave us 182 compared to that 180. So this is twice. More than twice is good. Technically speaking. A whole lot. Not a whole lot, but still more. Wow. Wow. So there you have it. Our test conduct. Actually, wait a second. Wait just 1 second. I think I made a mistake here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna just buy a couple things because I made the biggest mistake ever. Ignore those background noises. They mean nothing. Shit. Some I'm speaking really quietly. Okay, I'm just getting some money. I have to reconduct this test at a little bit of a better way. So I'm gonna start down. I'm gonna buy this. And now we'll see how much it gives us. So that's 80 billion. This will give us 100 billion. So it's about 25% more effective than an Eternal Journey. But now, if you were to get, let's say, where are the remote ambush mines? Show yourself. If you were to put down a whole bunch of remote ambush mines, let's just see what happens. Why does it only say 2? There are 3. There are clearly whatever. I'm not sure what I'll place. We would get about. Did any of them drop? Okay, now they did. Oh. Many more. So, if you were to get just one single ore, this Excalibur would be about 25% more effective at getting you money than the Eternal Journey. Because this gives you about. Okay, so explain this even for lost connection to the game. So, this gave us 80 billion, but then one single ore here gave us, and they were all worth the same, 800 million. One single ore from this gave us about 100 billion, 102 billion technically, but still. So that's about a 25% increase over the Eternal Journey. But then, what if you're gonna separate? You get a whole bunch of ores. What you gonna do? We tested this out, and it gave us about 200 something. I think was going to like 400 billion maybe. I'm not too sure. Yeah, about like 400 billion-ish, which is way better than Eternal Journey, which if there were more than one ore, you'd still just get 80 billion if ore was worth 800 million. Since it can only process a little at a time, unless it like goes super quick, then you might get a little bit more, but that is super unlikely, so we're just gonna say 80 billion if you got like 3 ores. This one would give us about like 300 billion if we were to get 3 ores, which is just simply amazing and lovely and great and awesome and amazing and lovely and great and awesome and amazing and lovely and great and awesome and lovely. Yeah, that's it. So Excalibur, depending on how you use it, if you're doing it the wrong way and just using it by itself, it's pretty much just the basic furnace that looks cooler. But you use the right firearm mines like most people do, which you should be doing. you're gonna get a whole lot more money than you're gonna get a significant amount of money, more money than you would get from the Eternal Journey. And it's considering that most people inside their universe that have this, they don't really have Eternal Journey. They're using like Sunken Pass, which is times 50, but minus 10 billion. So if you think about the Sunken Pass and the situation with the remote ambrosia mines, and they're worth 800 million. The Sunken Pass would give you negatives, actually, because it subtracts 10 billion. So Excalibur is better than every other furnace in the game, including the minor saving birthdays upgrader. Unless, you know what, even if you were to not have Spitfire Iron Mines, you can buy a bunch of remote Iron Mines and you just spam click it when the ore comes through. Excalibur is just amazing. Best furnace in the game. Even speaking, because like anyone can make it the best furnace in the game. You're never really gonna be too poor as to the point that you can't afford a bunch of remote iron mines. So yeah, it's the best furnace hands down. There's really no argument. So don't come in here. In their base values, take away all the other mines that you can use on Excalibur. Excalibur would be technically the 5th worst because you have all the research tables and stuff. But yeah, I guess. But with that mines, which you should be using, which most people are, it's better. Okay, and I would stop the video here, but oh, my mouse was just funny. So guys, as I'm here inside this disconnected world, which I can still turn somehow. Oh, I can still move. Didn't try that. Let's go upstairs. Yeah. I love it when it does that. Remember guys, stay you, stay cool, stay awesome. Rock on. Oh. Peace out. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.